Philippines sa Sacred History. According to Archaeography, Manila is the capital city. The point from the other country.
Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque.
From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Bago City,
Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanyanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. And we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayas shore, famous of fish, sugar, coconut, and corn.
Ay, yeah. Cebu, Mactan, Mandaue.
Ay, Bohol sa Marleyte.
Ay, Iloilo, Cavite, Tatangique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete.
Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Puton, Agus, and Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Misamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Lintay, del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines has great history. Ay. Manila is a capital city.
Ay, yeah. All the tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country. Sige.
Turo. Okay na.
Uy, kaya ano yan? Kay Kalil yan. Sige, go na!